Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I am Sylvanus, health and fitness coach with a qualification in clinical nutrition. Today I've got a very interesting topic: the effects of carbohydrates and weight loss. Carbohydrates on weight loss. Let me just make this clear, I am not against carbohydrates. I think if you're in good shape and you do a lot of exercise, you should eat carbohydrates because your body requires energy to perform certain functions. However, if your goal is to lose weight and you're severely struggling to lose weight after you've cleaned up your diet, then maybe you should consider taking carbohydrates off your diet. We all know that carbohydrates, proteins and fats has an effect on your blood sugar level. However, carbohydrates can produce a significantly higher effect on your blood sugar level compared to proteins and fats. So I've seen in the past, working with people, they struggle to lose weight, and so you try different things, and one of the things I try is firstly take out the carbohydrates, and then you notice that their weight is decreasing. If you then reintroduce the carbohydrates again, you see that they sometimes they stall or they start putting back on weight. So then you know the carbohydrates is a problem, because once you take it back out, everything start working fine. So if you're someone like that, then yes, probably you need to take the carbohydrates out of your diet, so then you can achieve your goal. And then maybe once you've achieved your goal, you can slowly introduce it back into your diet. Now, the two main sources of carbohydrate that I've seen it's difficult for people to come off is rice and bread. So what I usually do is I give them an alternative to rice or bread. I give them like an alternative. As for rice, I usually advise people to take cauliflower rice. So if they are so much hung up on rice and they can't stop eating rice, I would say eat brown rice in small amounts. But then the ultimate aim is to get you to eat cauliflower rice, which has very or almost no effect on your blood sugar level, and it's nutritious. It's a vegetable. You buy your cauliflower, you grate it, steam it with some salt and water, and there you go, and it looks very much like rice. You can also buy the cauliflower rice in the supermarkets that is already been made. So that's it. I usually ask them to take cauliflower rice, and that works very well. The other one, carbohydrate, that people are very much hooked up on is bread. And that's a difficult area because bread has not much alternative. But however, I usually ask people to eat Ezekiel bread or sourdough bread. Now, Ezekiel bread is made from sprouted grains, which eliminates the problem of phytates and gluten, because sprouted grains because they're made with sprouted grains, it makes the bread easily digestible, and it's got very low effect on your blood sugar. And it's the same with sourdough bread. It's made from a fermenting dough in bacteria and yeast. So the blood sugar effect is very low, and it's also very nutritious. It's not that bad. I'm not saying you should eat a lot of it, a little bit of it, if you're so hooked up on bread. Another type of bread is a cloud bread. I'll put the ingredients down below of how to make it. It's a bread, you just need 4 ingredients, I think eggs, sour cream, and 2 other ingredients to make it. It's very easy to make. I'll put the ingredients down below so you can try to make it yourself, and it's very easy to make. You can also make your own bread with coconut flour or almond flour. That you can find the recipes anywhere online, but I'll still put some links down below so that you can, or some notes down below so you can see how you can make your own coconut or almond flour. So that's it, guys. If you're struggling to lose weight, maybe, and you've tried everything, maybe you should take the carbs out of the equation, or you replace them with this food, and it might make a difference. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and share this video to whoever may need it.